a tremendous buying opportunity in one of the most sought-after communities in Doylestown. Carriage Hill offers low-maintenance living in a family-oriented environment. This well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home completes the highest quality of life with a beautiful sunny open floor plan. Complete with a large gourmet kitchen that features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, double ovens, and tons of cabinet space. A nice open breakfast area with lots of windows and French doors to your own private deck. The living area features a gas fireplace and plenty of space for family time. There is a private office on the main floor that could also be used as additional living space. The large master suite has tray ceilings, a walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite with big shower, nice soaking tub and double sink vanity and separate toilet closet. Gleaming hardwood floors and upgrades throughout, but the upgrade bonus is for this home are custom window blinds, whole house water filtration system and a water softening system. The perfect location provides easy access to shopping, downtown Doylestown, restaurants, biking and walking trails and close proximity to award-winning schools. You can take a few-minute walk to house